Good Tuesday morning to you. So here you are, your Tuesday. I hope that you took my advice yesterday and got a look at the lay of the land for the week, decided what your major project is going to be this week, how you're going to get it done, and made just a little bit of a plan as to how you're going to accomplish this. We'll check in with you on Thursday about that. All right, who am I? I am Kitty Andrews with declutterthebrain.com, empowering neurodivergents of all flavors to simplify their lives, get grounded, and focus on the one thing that will skyrocket their daily productivity. And if you want to learn more about how we do such wonderful things in our one-on-one coaching within a group container program called ADHD-CONNECT, just hold that. How many, Susan? One thought, and we'll give you your next one step to take in about 4 minutes from now. This week we are talking about simplifying your garage. That's right. It's usually, it turns into a drop zone, is what it is, really. National Association of Professional Organizers, it tells us that 50% of people they polled say that it's the most disorganized space in their home. That's above the basement, God help us all. 25% don't use it to park, and statistics vary, actually. Some reports say that it's more than that, and in Britain especially, by the way. And so that basically there's no room for cars. It's a drop zone for whatever is in your life. Now remember, it is better for your car to park it inside, away from the elements. Better for the paint job, better for all of its innards. Now the choice is yours. However, what you want to do now is don't beat yourself up about the state the garage is in. Just decide that you're going to have and keep a tidy garage. Now, if you want to park outside, that's cool. That's fine. Maybe you prefer to determine a purpose like a workshop or a studio or play space, or, heaven forbid, car storage. Whatever it is, just decide what you want. And if you want to make it a combination of both, God bless you, even better. So that's what we're talking about this week. Now, today, holy overwhelm, Batman, where to start? Now, remember, it didn't happen, your accumulation did not happen overnight. And unless you've got a better magic wand than I have, it's not going to go away overnight. So you want to start in one. That's right. The one system comes right into play here. So you've got your one room at a time, and then the one system is one room at a time, one area of that room at a time, and one thing at a time. And so you've got your one room, that's the garage. Start in one area of wherever of the garage, and figure out, just take a lay of the land. If you want to do what you did with the basement and make a little plan as to what you want where, then that's fine. Remember that when you're dealing with overwhelm, it's probably partly because you're trying to do it all by yourself. So you may want to consider, involving the family. Little kids can be your runner. Maybe they want to help you with it. So ask them, hey, say I'm about to do a garage project. Do you want to come and help? And watch them scatter. A joke. Keep yourself company. You want to make sure that you've got, unless you like working in silence, and that's cool, sometimes I do too, you may want to have some tunes or a podcast going while you're doing this. And as far as the overwhelm goes, making some sort of plan, again, helps. Tomorrow we're going to give you your first one step to take, but just remember that if you start in one area and stick with it, then and then move along to other areas, then you will see your progress right away in that one area, and that will fuel your confidence and momentum. So try that, and tomorrow we will give you the next one step, which will really fuel your momentum and confidence. Until then, scroll down. There's a phone number there you can text, and I will send you your personal invitation to our Wednesday group call, 90 minutes, where we have a lot of fun. We get a lot of stuff done, and it is a monthly membership that, it's private coaching in a group container for about $10 a day. Hey, can't go wrong. All right, have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.